Yes. Say hey to all your friends that don't believe you go outside. Wave to her friends that don't believe you could get her out here.
That's my.
There you go.
Man.
There she is. Trees. Tanya's going under trees. There you go. She looks relaxed, even though there's snakes above.
Oh.
So we're moving, fixing to run into a limb. There you go. Oh, look, there's a rat.
What?
Rats like water.
Where?
I'm just joking. Did you see her concern? She's only had one beer, too. She's doing good. All right, how much proof do we need?
That's enough. It recorded, right?
It says red record.
Yeah.
Oh, is that her camera or our camera?
Hers.